If you love peanut butter and chocolate together, you're gonna love this recipe for peanut butter balls. It's like peanut butter buckeyes, peanut butter balls, peanut butter truffles, whatever you call them. They are creamy and sweet and delicious, and they're one of my most popular recipes. This recipe is seriously easy. You're gonna add a cup of creamy peanut butter to 6 tablespoons of unsalted butter, and you're gonna mix that together until it's nice and smooth. I love using a hand mixer. You could use a stand mixer. Then mix in 2 3/4 cups of powdered sugar. Wanna mix this in slowly so that you don't wear it. You're also gonna add in a teaspoon of vanilla to this. Mix that until it's completely combined. Once it is completely combined, it'll take a while to mix this together. If you're using a hand mixer, it's going to take some time. That's why I recommend a stand mixer. Scoop 1 tablespoon balls of dough, roll them together between your palms, and then you're going to chill all of those balls of dough. I like to use a cookie sheet lined with wax paper. Once they're chilled, you're going to dip them. I'm using melted Candiquik. You can use candy melts or whatever you like, and dip them in the chocolate. Once you have these dipped, you just store them in the refrigerator. They'll last a couple of weeks. These are great for the holidays or really any time, or for anyone who loves peanut butter and chocolate. You can see how peanut buttery the inside looks. These are so delicious. If you don't already, be sure to subscribe to my channel, leave me a comment and let me know what other candy recipes you want to see, and keep watching for even more desserts.